What if your smartwatch could last 3 weeks on a single charge and tell you exactly how hard your body is working while cycling? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the new Huawei Watch GT6 series, why it's a game changer for both casual users and serious athletes, and one feature that might just revolutionize the way you train. Huawei has just unveiled their latest smartwatches, the Watch GT6 series. There are two models, the standard Watch GT6 and the premium GT6 Pro. And here's the first big upgrade: battery life. The 41mm standard model now lasts up to 14 days, while the 46mm and Pro variants can go an incredible 21 days. That's double what last year's GT5 offered. But battery isn't the only upgrade. GPS accuracy is now 20% better, which means whether you're running through the city streets or exploring mountain trails, your route tracking is more precise than ever. And for cyclists, the GT6 Pro introduces a virtual power meter, something Huawei calls the first of its kind in smartwatches. This allows you to measure your training intensity scientifically, giving you real-time insights into your cycling speed and effort. Health tracking hasn't been left behind. The non-Pro model comes with Huawei's TrueSense system, providing advanced health analytics and a detailed cardiovascular report. So whether you're monitoring your heart or tracking workouts, the GT6 series keeps you informed. Design-wise, both models stay true to the GT series' signature look. The Pro gets a slightly raised bezel for a premium feel, while the standard version keeps things sleek and familiar. And with new EU pricing, the non-Pro starts at €249, while the GT6 Pro begins at €379, with a titanium strap edition at €499. Orders placed until October 31st, 2025 even come with free earbuds or a discount. So if you've ever been frustrated by smartwatches that die too quickly or give inaccurate tracking, the Huawei Watch GT6 series is a serious upgrade. Long battery life, improved GPS, and a scientifically backed power meter for cyclists. This is more than just a smartwatch. It's a performance partner. Check the link below to see which model fits your lifestyle and level up your fitness game today.